Amit Shah has taken charge of BJP's Bihar campaign. Sources tell India Today that Amit Shah will camp in Bihar. He will stay put in Bihar after the Lok Sabha session. It's a big Shah Mission Bihar scoop for India Today. BJP will split Bihar into 6 campaign zones. That's the information that's just coming in about the upcoming Bihar elections. Amit Shah, to be in Bihar, will take charge of the campaign there. It is a big news that's coming in. BJP will be ensuring that its campaign in the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections is done very, very well, as Amit Shah will be camping in Bihar after the Lok Sabha session ends. With just weeks to go for the announcement of the elections, BJP is leaving no stone unturned. Amit Shah will stay put in Bihar after the Lok Sabha session. It's a big news coming in on India Today. The Home Minister of the country will be taking charge of the Bihar election. He will be in Bihar. The Home Minister Amit Shah will be staying put in Bihar after the Lok Sabha session. He will be taking charge, as BJP will divide the Bihar campaign into 6 campaign zones. Amit Shah will be personally taking charge of the Bihar campaign. Remember, viewers, the upcoming Bihar election is a very, very important for the BJP, and it is clear that the party is taking it very seriously.